Rajeshwari from Pidon Institute of Technology. I would firstly thank Princeton Smart Engineers for organizing such an amazing and wonderful workshop on web designing and user interface. It was such an interactive and interesting session. We could learn more and many types of softwares. I would thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Priya, 5th SEM CS department from Dijon Institute of Technology. First of all, I would like to thank Princeton Smart Engineers for visiting our college. That was indeed a great session. All these 3 days were completely useful for us. They taught us developing skills in UI as well as web development using several languages like PHP, jQuery, CSS, etc. So keep supporting students like this, and thank you, and just explore your company to the wider reach.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Sahana from Dijon Institute of Technology from IRC department 3rd SEM. We had a very great session from these 3 days. We have learned 4 different languages in software: HTML, JavaScript, CSS, etc. It was really very interesting. Rather than boring classes, it was very good one. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am from Dijon Institute of Technology. I am studying ISC 3rd SEM. Actually, we had Princeton company had organized a workshop for 3 days about languages like HTML, CSS, and JS and jQuery. We had a good experience here. The teaching staffs were also very good. Thank you.
Shri from Dijon Institute of Technology, ISC department 3rd SEM. It was an amazing section, and we learned about HTML and CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and it was helpful to us. And thank you for Princeton Smart Engineers. Keep supporting. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Pooja. I am pursuing my engineering in 5th semester CSE, Dijon Institute of Technology. I would like to thank Princeton Smart Engineers for organizing this workshop. This was very good platform to learn from the basics of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also Java query. I would like to thank you, Princeton Smart Engineers, and I also wish that please keep supporting the students like this always.
Hello everyone, I am Sayed from Dijon Institute of Technology, studying in ISC department. I would really like to thank Princeton for such a wonderful workshop in web development and user interface. It was a very good session, and the trainer was very experienced. He could clear all my doubts and on point. So I really like the trainer and the experience what I got from the 3 days workshop. And I would really suggest my friends to try Princeton workshop, and it would really help them get some confidence and experience. So I would like to thank Princeton for a wonderful opportunity, and